South Korea's main stock index briefly touched its lowest level in 13 months. Analysts attributed the brisk dip to the trade spat between China and the United States. Our Ko-Roonhee helped us look beyond the numbers.
Financial indices in Seoul briefly plunged on Friday. In the morning, the benchmark KOSPI dropped below the 2,300 level, at one point touching 2296, its lowest point since May last year. But the KOSPI rebounded in the afternoon, ultimately posting a gain for the day. It closed at 2326, up 0.5% from the previous session. Analysts attributed the brief fall to the trade spat between China and the U.S., which investors see as having a direct effect on South Korea.
Many South Korean exporters make parts that go into Chinese and American goods. If the trade war intensifies, the exports to these countries will likely decrease.
Another main reason is an outflow of foreign capital that picked up after the U.S. Federal Reserve raised interest rates earlier this month. Some also pointed to local companies performing poorly in the second quarter. Profit estimates for KOSPI-related companies in the second quarter have been revised down 8% compared to the start of the year. Analysts say the future depends heavily on China and the U.S. If President Trump goes ahead and imposes more tariff on China in July, stocks will likely fall again. Meanwhile, Korea's junior stock index, the KOSDAQ, dipped by 5 points in the morning, but recovered for a nearly 1% gain. Ko-Roonhee, Arirang News.